Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best hammock chairs for camping that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for comfort, durability, or portability, we've got you covered. Make sure to check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Hammock Camping Chair from Garsing Outdoor Leisure. This chair is designed with a unique hammock-style seat that allows users to recline and relax in comfort. The adjustable straps make it easy to find your perfect sitting angle, whether you're lounging at the beach, camping in the wilderness, or enjoying a picnic in the park. The breathable fabric ensures you stay cool even during hot summer days, while the included pillow adds extra comfort. In terms of build quality, the chair features a triangle multi-pole cross-bracket design that offers exceptional stability and can support up to 350 pounds. The lightweight aluminum frame is both durable and easy to carry, making this chair a practical choice for outdoor enthusiasts. When folded, its compact size ensures hassle-free travel, fitting easily into backpacks or car trunks. While the chair excels in portability and comfort, it does have a few drawbacks. The maximum weight capacity, while adequate for most users, falls short compared to some of the higher-ranked chairs on this list. Additionally, the overall user experience could benefit from more premium features like an adjustable headrest or additional reclining positions. But if you're looking for a reliable and affordable hammock chair for casual outdoor use, this Garsing Outdoor Leisure chair is a solid pick. Pros: lightweight, breathable fabric, compact design. Cons: limited premium features, slightly lower weight capacity. Coming in at rank number 4 is the Axole Hammock Camping Chair. This chair is ideal for those seeking a lightweight yet durable option for outdoor relaxation. Its innovative swinging design allows you to tweak the backrest angle simply by leaning back, making it easy to switch between sitting upright and reclining. The ergonomic mesh fabric is breathable and soft, ensuring extended comfort during long hours of use. The chair's sturdy build combines high-strength 6063 aluminum alloy with thick steel, offering enhanced durability without excessive weight. Its triangular cross-support design provides excellent stability, making it safe for rocking motions. At 19.6 inches from the ground, the seat height is comfortable for adults to stretch their legs, while the included headrest adds much-needed neck support. The chair folds effortlessly into the provided storage bag, making it easy to carry to campsites, beaches, or outdoor events. However, the Axole chair is limited by its weight capacity of 265 pounds, which is lower than most competitors in the same category. While it offers solid comfort and portability, it lacks some premium features, like a cup holder or adjustable reclining positions. Overall, this chair is a great choice for lightweight travel and casual outdoor use. Pros: ergonomic design, lightweight aluminum frame, easy portability. Cons: lower weight capacity, fewer convenience features. At rank number 3, we have the Timber Ridge Hammock Camping Chair. This chair stands out for its padded fabric and pillow, delivering a relaxing and stress-free experience outdoors. The adjustable backrest allows users to customize their seating position, making it versatile for both sitting upright or lying back. Whether you're camping, picnicking, or enjoying a day at the beach, this chair offers comfort and convenience in one package. The heavy-duty steel frame is sturdy enough to support up to 300 pounds and features an auto-lock system for added stability. The chair folds down easily and comes with a carry bag, making it portable despite its robust construction. The built-in cup holder on the stand is adjustable, accommodating various beverage sizes for on-the-go hydration. At 15 pounds, the chair is slightly heavier than some competitors, but it compensates with its durability and comfort. While the Timber Ridge chair excels in stability and comfort, its overall design could benefit from more advanced features like a swinging motion or a higher weight capacity. Nonetheless, it remains a reliable choice for those prioritizing ergonomic design and sturdy construction. Pros: adjustable backrest, stable frame, padded comfort. Cons: heavier than other options, lacks swinging functionality. Finally, at our number 1 spot, we have the King Camp Hammock Camping Chair. This chair delivers the ultimate swinging comfort with an adjustable reclining angle that allows users to find their perfect posture. Whether you're reading, napping, or simply soaking in the outdoor vibes, the reinforced triangle frame ensures stability and security for a weightless experience. The oversized design features breathable mesh padding and a supportive headrest pillow for unparalleled relaxation. Built with a heavy-duty frame made from 6063 aluminum alloy and Q195 steel, this chair supports up to 400 pounds and folds down to a compact size for easy transport. The thoughtful design includes an integrated cup holder, padded armrests, and anti-slip feet that adapt to various surfaces, making it suitable for camping, beach days, or backyard lounging. While this chair sits at a premium price point, its combination of durability, comfort, and convenience makes it a clear winner for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're an avid camper or just someone who loves relaxing outdoors, the King Camp Hammock Camping Chair is the perfect all-around option. Pros: adjustable reclining angle, high durability, premium features. Cons: higher price point. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.